Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Chime to Cash App or connect the two. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a relatively easily done process. However, I won't be able to show you guys since I don't have access to Chime or Cash App in my region. So I'm just going to have to make my way through this article right here. Now, you can easily do this. As you can see, it takes only a couple of simple steps. Of course, you do need to have an active Cash App and Chime account before you even begin to do this. However, I'm pretty sure that's a given and that it's very obvious. So let me just go over the steps really quickly. Now, step number one is to open up the Cash App and then select the Add Bank under your banking tab. Then once you're there, you can select Chime from the options, which should be available to you if you use both. Now, then you just need to log in to your Chime bank account to be able to link both accounts, and then just log into your Cash App account and enter how much you want to send. And then just select pay and make your payment to anybody or any place. And then because your accounts are linked, the money will automatically come out of your Chime account. I'm not sure if it's going to prioritize your Cash App balance or your Chime balance. However, once you connect the two, you can use the two interchangeably through Cash App, and that is pretty much all there is to it. As I've mentioned, really simple, doesn't take a long time, and there aren't many steps, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.